Before you leave your home for a vacation, you lock your doors. Maybe install a camera. Tell your neighbors to watch your space. And keep a spare key with a trusted friend. That's not overkill. It's smart security. Now imagine your business or cloud data is your home. Protecting it takes the same layered approach. In cybersecurity, we call this security controls. And today, I'll break them down so clearly that even your grandma could understand them, while still giving tech pros something to munch on. Security controls are measures we put in place to protect systems, networks, and data. We organize them into categories: where the control lives, and types, what the control does. Physical controls are like your door locks and security guards, but for IT, server room locks, biometric scanners, cameras. Managerial controls are like the rules of your house, policies, risk assessments, and strategic decisions that guide security efforts. Operational controls, they are like your daily habits and processes. Training your staff, doing audits, incident response drills, basically your security playbook in action. Tactical controls are like your tech muscles, like the firewall, the antivirus software, encryption, and your high-tech locks and alarms. For preventive, it stops bad things from happening, like the locks on your door. The deterrent, it makes attackers think twice, like a beware of dog sign. The detective, it finds issues fast, like your security cameras or motion detectors. Correctives, it fixes damages, like repairing a broken lock. Compensative is like the backup protection if one control fails, like a spare lock or a backup system. Directive, it sets expectations and guides behaviors, like a family rule, always lock the door. Why does this matter? Without controls, security is just hope. And hope isn't a strategy. These categories and types ensure that whenever you're running a global cloud system or just protecting your laptop, you've got layers of defense, like having not just one lock, but locks, alarms, guards, and roles all working together. This reduces risk, saves money from costly breaches, and builds trust with users and clients. Think of your security like a football team. The defenders, midfielders, goalkeepers, and even the coach all have different roles, but they share one goal: stop the opponent from scoring. Security controls are your defense team. Each player has a unique position, but together they win the game. If this helps you see security in a clearer way, don't just stop here. Hit subscribe, because on this channel, we break down complex cloud and security concepts into simple stories you can't forget. And stick around, I've got more videos coming that will make you see cybersecurity in a whole new light.